Regina Daniels, oh, hey, that girl no go keep person with her husband. My people, hey, Ned Nwoko don't come outside as man wey he be. Man, he don't come outside now. Come tell everybody. He talk say he marry Regina Daniels within 3 weeks. Say, and anytime when you feel like if you bring another one, say you know they do all this date una they do. All of una way, if una dey date girl, una go dey waste maybe 10 years. I'm trying to know her better. Yeah. Una don hear am now. Ned Nwoko don come outside go talk am. For una wey never even know wetin dey happen for these people house. Watch the video.
I met her and I liked her. We married within 3 weeks. Yes, within 3 weeks. I married all my wives within some period. I don't believe in dating anybody to marry them. Don't date anybody you want to marry. Marry them. When you marry them, you begin to fall in love from within the marriage. You know, even in my own culture, as it were, as a kid in the 60s, people, they were not dating. They would marry. In arranged marriages, family to family, they choose a wife. And then most girls were expected to be virgins when they get married. And they build a family from there. And because they didn't know each other before they got married, there's a lot of excitement, a lot of learning to do. And but Regina and I is a story that is interesting because before I met her, I didn't know about her. I don't watch movies, never watch movies. I met her the first time when she came to my house with her mother and her siblings because my place in Delta is a tourist place. They came to look around and I liked her and that was it, you know. So whether I marry another wife or not, she knows it can happen. I come from a very polygamous environment myself. I love children, so I want more children. And she knows this, and my other wives, they also know it. So we'll see what happens in the future.
Now, wow. Regina Daniels. So the man fit cheat, he fit remarry as many as he want, but Regina Daniels no get one right to even try say she dey cheat or she dey leave the marriage because I wan go finish this matter. Hey! Now wow, una know that thing wey people dey talk say when money talks, bullshit works. Na im we dey apply for this matter because as Ned Nwoko dey talk, they no born anybody. You know wetin be money? That man is swimming inside money. Omo na im be say now, if Ned come bring another woman enter this house, hey, Regina Daniels, you go turn old mama at 21 years old. Come imagine say no, I don't know whether if una don't even think this matter. Imagine say Ned Nwoko maybe im first wife, that one wey he marry before, im pikin come born. Na be say all of them don turn grandmama be that. Wahala dey o. Una hear am? Im say within 3 weeks, na im marry. All of una wey dey do fine boys, dey deceive girls up and down. Una don hear am? Go make money. No be all this talk plenty wey una dey talk. Na because una no get money na why una no dey see serious women. Once you get money like this, make una stop all this fine boy wey una dey do. E no dey help, my people. E no dey help. The work don come outside, and I dey sure say indirectly dey pass message across to boys. So una suppose wise up. You understand? And another thing again, wait. Una dey see how before Regina marry, na wow, expensive girl. You no even fit near am. Very expensive. She dey carry the way she dey carry herself. You know, na wow, my sister. So upon all the shakara wey you do, all the expensive you dey post dey do, na 3 weeks dey use solve your matter. 3 weeks. When I think say the way you dey carry yourself before, you go take person like maybe 10 years. So they work hard to win you. Now wow. Hey, wahala. Oh, abeg, all the boys wey una dey, come assemble yourself here. See, make I tell you something. Hold your ear like this. No girl hard to find. I don't tell you now. This is a small secret what they give you now. Na lady, lady we see money, na there she dey enter. So hustle, double your hustle. If you never even start, now you suppose wake up, oh, double the hustle. Una don hear now from Ned Nwoko, Madam Reggie, Sister Reggie, aka number 6. Abeg, you don hear wetin Grandpa talk. He say very soon he go bring another one. And that one you no get say, so get ready. I know these nurses wey dey go online dey post make dem free you. Who wan free you? Na me, no, na me put you for Ned house. You no know when you carry your leg enter there make we free you. We never even start this matter. We are in this together. We die here. So you better get ready. We never even start. Hey. Meanwhile, my people, another interesting gbege dey. Hey, this one na Kumasi pastor. Le kwanumo, nothing wey we no go see for this world o. Ha! Kumasi pastor wey dey waka around naked. Ijigidi, 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 ijigidi. According to am, he say the reason why he dey waka naked, say he get inspiration from Bible. I wonder which Bible this man go see. He say na Job 12:1 and Ecclesiastes 5:15. Say naked I came, naked will I return. He say na that thing dey work for him head. Na why he dey waka around naked. Abeg, my people, before I go further, make you no talk say Madam Aproko talk. Make una see am with una eye. Open una eye well. Make we watch the video.
Man, on the next man, I say, about 20 man, I say, or you're naked. Naked I came, naked I'm going. Okay. I said, naked I came, naked I'm going. Isaiah 20. Yes. I said Isaiah 20. Verse 2 to 4.
Hey, see cucumber wey dey good. Free cucumber everywhere. Now he say they preach. Ha! No, my people. this one pass. E heavy for my mouth to talk. Now why I bring am make una see am. And una know say Ghanaians no dey joke with church o. Hey, una see dey learn work. Any other country, Ghana, you need see them on Sunday if they go church. They no dey joke anything church, anything. But na them, look for bad things. Na them, na there you go see am. I remember one woman where for one compound where they stay before, she say na landlady. If this woman speak in tongues for you, you go think say na you be sinner pass for this world. But come see wickedness. Sometimes I go just dey sit down dey wonder say, na this same woman wey I dey hear last night wey dey rokobo. Now she don lock tap. No. My people, e funny, but e dey very serious. Na dem sabi do bad thing pass. And these people now, they believe say na dem get power pass. So Ghana get power. If you see where their pastors dey minister, shame go even catch you. I dey tell you. And now, according to them, na miracles wey they do. You understand? Na miracles wey they do. And again one, Pastor Obini, I dey sure say many of una don hear in matter or in picture. For una wey no know, I better put in picture make they see am. This man wey una dey see like this, if he dey perform miracle, he even open mouth by himself, don't say in dey turn to snake. Which kind of miracle be that, my people? Abeg for una wey una never watch am, hear am, come see the video first. Watch am.
Because spiritual. Now, Obi was sit down for my Papa Jesus. So because spiritual. So me sincere. She said the before to name you. Na Jesus was in change say. Na me to me Ghana, na Ghana am say handkerchief we. Also for me tia me timi dani aboa. Me ti ma dani wo wa be kawo.
Chai. My people, I don't even know who we go believe again, who we go see again. Because from my own observation, Ghana get direct connection with God. Now only Ghana get that. Now I don't think since. So now I don't come to my own conclusion. Say we suppose go Nigeria, go bring Bobrisky. You understand? Because now Ghana get power. So make we bring Bobrisky come Ghana so that they go comot that spirit of homosexuality. That way, now we don't even know whether she be man or she be woman. So we need clarify that. So we need bring up. Because if like say Nigeria process slow, she don't do Nigeria since nothing happen. My people, she even they become worse. The last time we hear say she carry belle, I don't understand. So now Ghana get the main cocoa. You understand? So we suppose bring her. I mean, my people, what do you not think? That my own conclusion be that oh. All right, my people. Yes, now 101 TV we day like this, and this now where we they bring you the hottest gist in town. We're not supposed to know by now. I don't even need to talk this thing plenty time. So if you never subscribe, wait till you wait for click on that thing, man. And if you never click on that notification button, now they say you go they miss all our interesting gist. You understand? Comment. I still want to wait you now. They think for all this matter where I bring you now. Don't go far. I will see you later.